Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vanilla brownies. First, gather all your ingredients and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial to have everything ready before you begin. Make sure your butter is softened, not melted, and use a high-quality vanilla extract for that amazing flavor. Properly preparing your baking pan will also ensure your brownies don't stick. Now let's mix the batter for your vanilla brownies. Start by creaming together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, incorporate the eggs one by one, ensuring each is fully mixed in before adding the next. Separately, whisk your dry ingredients, then gently fold them into the wet mixture. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough brownies. Baking your vanilla brownies to perfection is key. Place your pan in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not liquid batter. Avoid overbaking, which can result in dry brownies. Once baked, let them cool completely in the pan before slicing for the best texture and presentation. Finally, let's talk about finishing and serving your delicious vanilla brownies. Once they've cooled, you can dust them with a little powdered sugar for a simple, elegant touch. For extra sweetness, consider drizzling a vanilla glaze over the top. These brownies are wonderful served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep them fresh for a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.